of how I taught Angela in less than 2 hours to cycle and balance by herself. And here you go.
Why are you wearing your glasses?
Hey, I'm wearing my glasses because I've got conjunctivitis. It's a very bad eyes, so I'm wearing my glasses. Angela, so if you observe, can you come closer? See her legs. No, down. Keep your legs down. She can actually balance it like this. Angela, just go ahead with your legs down. So if you see, this is the most comfortable height of the cycle and her legs. So what happens is, she's not going to fall. That is the first rule. And you go back. Taught her was, she needs to go this and leg up and down. So I'll show you again. She needs to balance, push up and down. That's it. That was the second lesson. So the pedal, as you come back, wait. Pedal has to be half. Okay? Here, half. Okay? And to the here. Go ahead, keep it straight. Go half, leg up. Yeah, that's it. Now, we went 2-3 rounds like that here, the entire place, and can you show how long the round is? Suppose that I would catch here, so can you come closer? I would hold here, and if you see, like I can hold like this. So go ahead, Angela, take. So she would go and continue cycling, continue cycling, continue cycling, continue cycling, continue cycling. So that's how I'm ready. So that's the most important thing, that her first push off, right, has to be right. And that's all you need to do. One, legs to be down so that they have balance in both the legs. Next, give them that exercise which I just showed you myself, and then allow them to do it themselves.